everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So, without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is aiming to achieve saturation of Swachhata. As per the guidelines issued by the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare is planning various activities under Special Campaign 5.0 from 2nd October to 31st October 2025. The campaign aims at institutionalizing Swachhata, minimizing pendency in government offices, and enhancing experiences of common public with these offices. Disposal of e-waste generated in government offices as per rules in focus area of this campaign. See, in the last year, during the special campaigning 4.0, the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare cleaned 1,791 sites all over the India. Around 55,473 square feet space was freed and 11,299 kg waste was disposed and revenue of rupees 61 lakh 7,784 was generated. Besides this, 22,296 public grievances were disposed and 53,660 physical files were reviewed and 19,214 files were weeded out. For the special campaign 5.0, the department has already appointed nodal officer. All divisions of this department and all subordinate attached officers, PSU, autonomous bodies and authorities under the administrative control of DA and FW have been urged to actively participate in the campaign to make it a grand success. See, the secretary, TA and FW has taken meeting with all the senior officers of the department to discuss the actions to be taken during the Swachhata. High Seva, High Seva and Swachhata Campaign 5.0, these two VC meeting under these two has the VC, which means video call meeting under the chairmanship of Joint Secretary, has been held with nodal officer of department and its attached and subordinate officers. They are requested to identify and furnish the targets during the transparency phase regarding cleanliness sites, space management, disposal of the waste and scrap and redundant items, disposal of references from MPs and state governments, interministerial references, parliament acquaintances, PMC references, public grievances and its appeals and record management. The implementation phase will be started from 2nd October 2025 to achieve the given targets identified in preparatory phase for special campaign 5.0 in respect of all divisions, field and outstation officers under the administrative control of DA and FW. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.